Decimals. In this class, we will learn about decimals, how to represent a decimal on a number line, different operations with decimals, and how to convert a decimal into a fraction and a fraction into a decimal, and about terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring decimals, and how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction called vulgar fraction, and how to round off a decimal. Introduction of decimals. A fraction whose denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 or a power of 10 is called decimal fraction. We can write a decimal fraction with a decimal point and we call it simply as decimal. A decimal number have two parts, whole number part and a decimal part. The number of digits in the decimal part is called decimal places. Here 2 digits are there, so 2 decimal places. Decimals with same value are called equivalent decimals. In this example, 3.7 can be written as 3.70, 3.70000. The value remains same, equal to 3.7. We can write 6 as 6.0 or 6.0000. The value does not change, it is equal to 6. So note, we can add any number of zeros before a whole number, its value does not change. In the same way, we can add any number of zeros after a number in the decimal part, its value does not change. Like decimals, unlike decimals. Decimals with same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Decimals with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Converting unlike decimals to like decimals. Example 1, 3.4, 41.51. In this, one decimal place and here two decimal places. So add 0 in 3.4. So it became 2 decimal places. Here 2 decimal places. In the same way, in this example, add 2 zeros. So 3 decimal places and 3 decimal places. Third example, here 3 decimal places. So put 0.000. Now it became 3 decimal places and here 3 decimal places. Compare the following decimals. 5.2, 2.3. Here the whole number 5 is greater than whole number 2. So 5.2 is greater than 2.3. Next one, 5.2, 5.3. Whole number part is equal. So go to the first decimal place. 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2. So 5.3 is greater than 5.2. Next one, 5 is same. So next we compare 2 and 2, it is also same. 1 and 5 is greater. So 5.25 is greater than 5.21. Next one, 5.435, 5.43. They are unlike decimals. Add 0 so that it became like decimals. Now compare. 5 equal. 4 equal, 3 equal. So 5 is greater than 0. 5.435 is greater than 5.430. Next topic, representation of decimals on a number line. Example 1, represent 3.6 on a number line. 3.6 can be written as 3 plus 0.6. Therefore, 3.6 lies between 3 and 4. If we divide 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3.6 will be 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Here 3.6 will be. represent 1.4 on a number line. 1.4 lies between 1 and 2. So divide 1 and 2 into 10 equal parts, and each part equal to 0.1. Now start counting. 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So 1.4 lies here. Third one, represent minus 1.4 on a number line. Minus 1.4 can be written as minus 1 plus minus 0.4. So it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. Divide minus 1 and minus 2 into 10 equal parts. And now start counting. Minus 1, minus 1.1, minus 1.2, minus 1.3, and here minus 1.4. Addition and subtraction of decimals. In this first one, 0.2 plus 0.02 plus 12.842. 0.2 plus 0.02 plus 12.842. Write the decimals in such a way that all the decimal points fall in the same vertical line. And now make it like decimals. Addition. 0 plus 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 0 and put 1 here. And bring down the decimal point. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1. So it is equal to 13.062. Second problem, 8.60 minus 0.82. 8.60 minus 0.82. They are like decimals. Borrow 1 from 6. 10 minus 2, 8. And borrow 1 from 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Decimal point. And it is 7. So 7.78. Third one. 36 minus 18.59 minus 3.2. Write it as 36 minus 18.59 plus 3.2. Minus is common in both of them. So take minus common and 18.59 plus 3.2. 18.59 plus 3.20. 9, 5 plus 2, 7, decimal point, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. So 36 minus 21.79. Now subtract 21.79 from 36. 36, 21.79. Subtract. So put 0.00. Borrow 1 from 6. So it becomes 5. It is 10. Now borrow 1 from 10. It will become 9 and 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Decimal point. 5 minus 1, 4. And 3 minus 2, 1. So answer is 14.21. Next topic, converting a decimal into fraction. To convert, remove the decimal point from the decimal number and write in its denominator with as many zeros as the number of digits are in the decimal part to the right of 1. Convert the following decimals into fractions. Example 1, 2.1. So neglect this point and write it as 21. Now in the denominator, to the right of 1, keep number of zeros equal to number of digits in the decimal part. So 1 digit, 1 0. Second example, 2.46. Neglect this point. Write it as 246 divided by, to the right side of 1, put zeros equal to number of digits in the decimal part. 1, 2. So 2 zeros. Third problem, 0.606. Write it as 0606 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 0606 can be written as 606 divided by 1000. Example 4, it can be written as 85 divided by 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 85 by 1000. Example 5, 8.025. In the numerator, 8025 divided by 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Example 6, 0.5. So 5 divided by 10. Next topic, convert fraction into decimal. So we need to place the decimal point. 1 divided by 10. Write the numerator as it is. It is 1. We know that 1 is equal to, 1 can be written as 1.0. That means the decimal point lies to the right side of 1. So it is here. It is here now. Now shift this decimal point to left side based on number of zeros in the denominator. So 1 0. So shift it to here. And place 0 in the whole part equal to 0.1. And second example, write the numerator, count the zeros 1, 2. So from right side, shift the decimal point to left to 2 digits 1, 2. Place it here and fill the gaps with 0. It is equal to 0.01. Third example, write the numerator 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal point and fill the gaps with 0 equal to 0.001. Next example, write the numerator 1, 2. So from right side 1, 2, put decimal point and 0 in whole part equal to 0.65. Next example, write the numerator 365, 1, 2 zeros. So from right side 1, 2, put it here equal to 3.65. Convert the fraction into decimal. Here in the denominator it is not 10 or 100 or a power of 10. So in this case, write the equivalent decimal of the numerator. It is 3.000. We can put any number of zeros and divide with 4. 4 zeros, 0, 3. Now the whole part is completed. Before entering into the decimal part, put a decimal point and now we can bring down the digits in the decimal part. So now 4 sevens 28, remainder 2, bring down 0, 4 5 20, 0, remainder 0. So we can stop the division here and equal to 0.75. Convert the mixed fraction into a decimal number. So it is equal to 5 2's 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Now we can write the equivalent decimal of 14 and can divide with 5, or else it is 5. If we multiply and divide with 2, 5 2's 10. 10 in the denominator. So simply we can write it as 2.8. Multiplication of decimals. First one, 5.8 into 4. To multiply, first convert into a fraction. 5.8 can be written as 58 divided by 10 into 4 into 4. We can write 4 as 4 by 1. Now it became fraction into fraction. Then multiply the numerators and denominators. 58 into 4, 10 into 1 equal to 58 into 4, 232 divided by 10. Convert this fraction into decimal. 23.2. From here, one digit. Second one, 0.5 into 10. Convert 0.5 into fraction. 5 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 can be written as 10 by 1. Multiply the numerators. 5 into 10. Multiply the denominators. 10. 10 cancel equal to 5. 0.87 into 10. 0.87 in the fraction form. 87 divided by 2 zeros into 10 equal to 87 into 10 divided by 100. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. 10 cancel. 87 divided by 10 equal to 8.7. Next one, 20.2 into 0.2. Convert into fractions. 202 divided by 10, one digit, into 2 divided by 10. Therefore, 202 into 2, 10 into 10. 202 into 2 equal to 404 divided by 100. Convert into decimal. 1, 2, 4.04. Division of decimals. First one, 54.9 divided by 10. Convert this decimal into fraction. 549 divided by, here one digit, so 10. And divided by 10 divided by 10. This can be written as 549 divided by 10 into reciprocal of 10, 1 by 10. Multiply the numerators, 549, and denominators equal to 100. Now convert it into decimal. 2 zeros, 1, 2, 5.49. Second one, 0.6 divided by 1 by 2. Convert 0.6 into fraction. 6 divided by 10 divided by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. It can be written as 6 by 10 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 6 into 2, 12 divided by 10. Convert into decimal, 1.2. Next problem, 4.68 divided by 0.2. Convert into fractions. 468 divided by 1, 2 zeros divided by 2, 1 0. It can be written as 468 divided by 100 into reciprocal of 2 by 10 is 10 by 2 equal to 468 into 10 divided by 100 into 2. 2, 2, 3, 4 equal to 234 into 10 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So 10, 10 cancel, remaining 10 will be here. Equal to 234 divided by 10 equal to 23.4. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. Decimals with finite number of digits after decimal point are called terminating decimals. Decimals with infinite number of digits after decimal point are called non-terminating decimals. Based on repeating and non-repeating decimals, non-terminating decimal is again divided into recurring and non-recurring decimals. 2.555. In this, 5 is repeating. 2.5656. In this, 56 is repeating. 3.53777. In this, 7 is repeating. We represent the repeating digit or group of digits with a bar. In non-recurring decimals, no digit or a group of digits are recurring after decimal point. Find whether the given division form a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal. First one, 3 divided by 8. So write the equivalent decimal of 3. 3.0000 and divide it with 8. 8 zeros 0 minus 3. The whole part is completed. Now put decimal point and bring down 1 0. 8 3s 24 minus, so it is 6. Now bring down 1 more 0. 8 7s 56 minus 4. Bring down 1 more 0. 8 5 40. The remainder is 0. So 3 divided by 8 equal to 0.375. 0.375. The number of digits in the decimal part are 1, 2, 3. So hence it is having finite number of digits. It is terminating decimal. Second one, 7 divided by 12. Write the equivalent decimal of 7. 7.0000 divided by 12. 12 zeros, 0. 7. Now whole number part is completed, so put decimal point and bring down 0. 12 5 is 60, difference is 10, bring down one more 0. 12 8 is 96, difference is 4, bring down one more 0. 12 3 is 36, difference is 4, bring down one more 0. 12 3 is 36, again the difference is 4. So it goes on like this, and this 3 will be repeating. So as the number of digits in the decimal part are infinite, it is non-terminating decimal, equal to 0.583 bar. Therefore, non-terminating decimal. Convert the following fractions into recurring decimals. First one, 2 1/3. Write it in a improper fraction. 326 plus 1, 7/3. Now write the equivalent decimal of 7. 7.0000 divided by 3. 326, 7 minus 6, 1. Whole number part is completed, so put decimal point and bring down 0. 3 3 is 9, 10 minus 9 equal to 1, and bring down one more 0. 3 3 is 9, 10 minus 9, again 1. So the remainder will be 1, and 3 will be repeated. 7/3 equal to 2.333 and so on. So put a bar over the repeating digit. 2.3 bar. Second one, 10 divided by 11. Convert into a recurring decimal. So 10.0000 divided with 11. 11 zeros, 0. Difference is 10. Whole number part is completed, so put decimal point and bring down 0. 11 nines, 99. Difference is 1. Bring down 0. 11 zeros, 0. Difference is 10. Bring down one more 0. 11 nines, 99. Difference is 1. Bring down one more 0. 11 zeros, 0. Again the difference is 10. So it goes on and it will repeating. Equal to 0.9090, so on. Now put a bar on a repeating digits. In this 90 is repeating. 0.90 bar. Third one, convert 5/6 into a recurring decimal. Write the equivalent decimal of 5, 5.0000, and divide with 6. 6 into 0, 0. Difference is 5. Whole number part is completed, so put a decimal point and bring down 0. 6 8 is 48. Difference is 2, and bring down 0. 6 3 is 18. Difference is 2. Again bring down 0. 6 3 is 18. So difference is again 2. So remainder will be 2 and 3 will be repeating. 5 by 6 equal to 0.8333 and so on. So put a bar over the repeating digit. 0.83 bar. Next topic, convert recurring decimals into fractions called vulgar fraction. First one, 0.23 bar. In this, 2 and 3 are repeating. To convert into a fraction, write the decimal part 2, 3 divided by, for every repeating digit, put 9 in the denominator. 3 is repeating, so 9. 2 is repeating, 9. 23 divided by 99. Second one, in this problem, 5, 7 are repeating and 4 is not repeating. To solve this, write the decimal part 4, 5, 7. 4 is not repeating. So write minus 4. In the denominator, for every repeating digit, put 9 and non-repeating digit, put 0. 7 is repeating, so 9. 5 is repeating, 9. 4 is not repeating, so put 0. This is equal to 457 minus 4 equal to 4, 5, 3 divided by 990. Third problem, 2.23 bar. We can write it as 2 plus 0.23 bar, which is equal to 2 plus, write the decimal part 23. In the denominator, 2, 3 are repeating, so 99. In the mixed fraction, we can write it as 223 divided by 99. Fourth problem, write it as 3 plus 0.678 bar equal to 3 plus, write the decimal part 678 minus, in this 6 7 is not repeating, so 6 7 divided by 8 is repeating, 9, 7 is not repeating, 0, 6 is not repeating, 0 equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7, 1, 7 minus 6, 1 and 6 divided by 900. In the mixed fraction, we can write it as 3611 divided by 900. Next topic, rounding off of decimal numbers. In that, round off the following decimals to the nearest tenths. First one, 0.07. So 0. Before writing the tenths place, check the next place whether it is greater or equal to 5 or less than 5. If it is greater or equal to 5, add 1. If it is less than 5, put the same digit. 7 is greater than 5, so add 1 and write 1, 0.1. Next one, 0.112. 0. Before writing, check it. It is less than 5, so put the same number. 13.55. 13.5 is equal to 5. So add 1. It is equal to 6. 13.6. Round off the following decimals to the nearest hundredths place. First one, 0.6. Before writing hundredths place, check the next digit whether it is greater or equal to 5 or less than 5. 7 is greater than 5, so add 1 to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Next one, 100.4. 9 is greater than 5. Plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 0.05 is equal to 5. So add 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Round off the following decimals to the nearest whole number. 4.83. 8 is greater than 5. Add 1. So it is equal to 5. 0.86. 8 is greater than 5. Add 1. 1. 451.9. 9 is greater than 5. So it is 452. 9.08. 0 is less than 5 equal to 9.